Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error str object is not callable. The error message, type error str object is not callable, occurs when you try to call a string object as if it were a function. This error typically occurs when you use parentheses after a string variable, as if you were trying to call it like a function. For example, when you try to run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. In the above code, we are trying to call the message variable as if it were a function by using the parentheses. However, message is a string, not a function, so this will result in a typeerror. To fix this error, you should make sure that you are not trying to call a string as a function. Double-check your code to see if there are any instances where you are mistakenly trying to use a string variable as a function.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.